Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is Practice of Brahmacharya. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Okay. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon. So whenever I update a new video, you'll get a notification, friends. Okay. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comments, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So I will spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYU BHATTACHARJEE 1906. Okay. So, friends, if you want to connect with me, you can also mail me. My email ID is abhimanyubhattacharjee1906 @gmail.com. So, I'll spell it for you, friends. Okay, it's ABHIMANYUBHATTACHARJEE 1906 So, I have my email ID in Gmail, right? So, friends, in our last video, I've covered the topic called thermometer in Brahmacharya. Okay, and in our today's video I'm going to start a new chapter, that is lust and passion, and I'm going to cover the video called eradication of lust. So this topic I'm going to cover, friends. Okay, that is eradication of lust. So let us see what Swami Sivananda ji is telling to us in this topic. Okay, a lustful man becomes shameless, a greedy man loses courage, so, an angry man loses his health. Therefore, destroy lust, greed, and anger. So, this is a very big thing which Swami Sivananda ji is telling. Swami Sivananda ji is telling to us a lustful man becomes shameless. He's a shameless man. A greedy man loses his courage. So, a greedy man is never courageous. He also gets afraid from each and every point in his life. And an angry man always loses his health. So whenever we get angry, so we lose our health, and our health keeps on going down and down. Therefore we should destroy lust, greed, and anger. So therefore it is very important for us is to destroy our lust, greed, and anger. As long as lust smells sweet, is sweet in your nostrils. So here Swami Sarananda is telling, as long as lust smell, it is sweet in our nostrils. So long you cannot entertain the sublime. So up to that moment we cannot entertain the sublime divine thought in your mind. So we cannot entertain the divine thought in our mind up to the moment the lust, we do not leave the smell of the lust in our nostril, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda ji is telling to us in this topic. Give up tasty food, reading, conversation, imagination, and association that are likely to stimulate sexual desire. So, Swami Swananda ji is telling that the things which stimulate the sexual desire, we should give up those things. Those things are like tasty food, reading, conversation, and imagination and association of the sexual desire. So, if we are reading any sexual book, right, any sexual topic, so this we should not do. We should only follow the practice of brahmacharya and practice, and we should follow the practice of celibacy, and it is very important for us for the growth and development of our life, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. Do not look at a woman with an evil eye. So we should not look at the woman with an evil eye at any point of time in our life, friends. Okay, if she is old, treat her as your mother. So here Swami Saranandaji is telling, if a woman is old, we should treat her as our mother. If she is young, as your sister. So Swami Saranandaji is telling, if she is a young girl, then we should treat that girl as our sister. And if very young, as your child. And if a girl is very young, we should treat that girl as our child, friends. Okay. So this Swami Saranandaji is telling to us in this topic. Leewardness or licentiousness, I will spell it for you, friends. Okay, it's LEWDNESS, or licentiousness, it is LICENTIOUSNESS, is a very broad way to destruction or death. So Swami Swananda is telling these are the very broad way to the destruction or to the death. Be pure, be chastity, slay this lightlessness, the dire enemy of man. So we should be pure, and we should be chastity so that we could destroy this enemy in the man. Okay, so friend, this today's topic of eradication of lust came to an end. In our tomorrow's video, I'm going to cover the topic of power of lust, friends. Okay, so friends, this topic came to an end. I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and I'll meet you in the next video, friends. Okay, till then, goodbye, take care.